Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to order from the Temu app using your phone. Let's get started. Once you're in, you'll see the homepage with tons of products and super deals. You can use the search bar on the top to look for something specific. You can also tap the camera icon on the right to take a photo of what you need. And below it, you can use the easy access category to search for what you need. Let's say I want to buy a shoes. I'll type that in the search bar and hit search. Then I'll scroll through the options and tap on the one I like. On the product page, you'll see the prices, the color, the size, the quantity, and the reviews of the past buyers. Select your options, then hit the add to cart. Once you're ready to check out, just tap on go to your cart or go to your home page and click on the cart icon to proceed to your order. Review your item, then click on checkout. Now, just enter your shipping address, choose your delivery method, and pick your payment option. It can be cash on delivery, e-wallet, or card payment. On your card payment, you will fill out information about your card to proceed the payment. After that, click on Submit Order and that's it. You'll get a confirmation message and you can track your order under the U tab. Press on U tab, then press on Your Order, and from here, you can track your order until it delivers to your doorstep.